हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको भी माई हॉबी पे ऐसे लिखना है एंड आपकी हॉबी गार्डनिंग है तो ये ऐसे आपके लिए परफेक्ट है। इंट्रोडक्शन। अ हॉबी इज़ अ वर्क दैट वी adopt to pass our spare time happily. It is never a regular work but a work that is done for fun and pleasure. It is the best use of spare time and gives mental recreation too. Hobbies include collecting themed items and objects, singing, dancing, painting, reading, writing, photography, playing sports, etc. My hobby. Gardening has been my favorite hobby for as long as I can remember. I am nature lover, so I love to spend my spare time in my garden. I get up early in the morning every day and go to my garden to spend some time there. I grow different varieties of flowers like roses, jasmine, and vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers there. Gardening is a journey of patience from the first seed planted to the vibrant blooms. Connection with nature. Planting flowers and vegetables and taking care of them is a relaxing and enjoyable activity that brings me closer to nature. Tending to plants and watching them grow provides a sense of harmony and balance, making me appreciate the beauty and complexity of nature. Health benefits. Beyond the aesthetic and intellectual pleasures, gardening offers numerous health benefits. It is a great form of physical exercise involving activities like digging, planting, weeding, and harvesting. This task improves strength, flexibility, and endurance. Moreover, spending time outdoors in the fresh air and sunlight boosts mental well being, decreases stress, and enhances mood. Source of knowledge. I also learn a lot from gardening. I have learned about different types of plants, their needs, and how to take care of them. I have learned about the importance of soil, water, and sunlight for plant growth. Sometimes I even face challenges like pests or plant not growing well. But I learn to solve these problems and it makes me a better gardener. Conclusion. Gardening is a wonderful hobby. It teaches me about nature, helps me to stay healthy, and brings joy to my life. It's also not expensive, so I do not need to spend much on it. I am proud of my garden and enjoy every moment I spend taking care of it. Thanks for watching.